Hello, dear kids. How are you, beta? I hope you all are safe and sound. So, dear kids, we were discussing about determiners. We came to know about the definition of determiners. What is a determiner? What are the various kinds of determiners? And we practiced some exercises also. Now, we have another exercise, but before moving to that exercise, I want you to ponder upon the main thing, the main points using a or an. Use of a, the very first one, use of a. Both a and an are indefinite articles. It is one of the parts of determiners, indefinite articles. So, use of a is used with a singular countable noun beginning with a consonant sound. A is used with a singular, it should be singular, then countable noun, singular and countable noun that begins with a consonant sound. As you know, we have vowels in English language, a, e, I, o, u. Except these vowels, rest all the alphabets are consonants. So, if any word starts with a consonant sound and it is a singular and countable, at that time we use a. Right? Now, next one, use of an. Singular countable noun begins with a vowel sound. A singular countable noun that begins with a vowel sound. Here in a you can see this is consonant sound, and in vowel that is vowel sound. Please get it clear that a and an are not used with vowel or consonant. They are used with vowel sound and consonant sound. Okay? Next, on the basis of this a an indefinite article, we have a worksheet 6, use of a an. Look at the picture given below. So one picture is there on the wall, and a girl and a boy, dog, girl and cat, they all are looking at this picture. The girl is saying, it is a bird. No, it is a pineapple. You can see the picture. Then cat is saying, a fish, a pineapple, a bird, it is an octopus. But on the other hand, this girl is saying, it is a mouse. Here she is saying that it is a mouse. The boy is confused and he says, no, it is a fish. The dog is saying, they are silly. It is an elephant. It is an elephant. But the cat is saying, a fish, a pineapple, a bird. No. It is an octopus. So you can see the clear use of a, like a is there, an elephant, a fish, a pineapple, a bird, and octopus. You can clearly see that a use of a and with vowel and consonant sound, not vowel and consonant. Let's do an activity based on this. This is worksheet number 7. The following passage has not been edited. There are certain words missing. A slash, this type of sign is there, has been provided wherever a word is missing. Write the omitted word in the space provided. So beta, what you have to do is, like slash, we have this one slash, this one, in each sentence we have one slash. So you have to add the omitted word, okay, on the basis of this a or an or the. So the is it is a definite article, and a or an on the other hand are indefinite article. The is used with a definite noun before a definite noun, and a or an indefinite noun. So let's tell. My brother has just bought slash laptop. So we can see what? A. Why so? Because L consonant sound is there. Consonant sound. A laptop. It has a colored k sound. K sound. So k, that is consonant. Okay. So colored sound. Colored screen, that is k के साथ में a. It is easier on the eyes than slash. B black consonant sound. So we can use this the. Why so the? Why use the? Because it is definite. Why I am using this the here? Because it is indicating to black and white screen. It is saying about the definite thing, black and white, then the black and white screen. The computer has battery. Now slash is there. The computer has dash battery. So a battery. B. Then so my mother can use it without electricity for up to 8 hours. It is also has dash modem inside. It has dash a modem inside. If he wants to send dash email, dash email. So you can see a consonant vowel is there, vowel sound is there. So email, that is an email. Okay, an email. He can do so easily by connecting it to the internet. A laptop is dash very small computer. Laptop is a very small computer. My brother takes it everywhere with him. So this is how you have to add these words in place of omitted words. Use of a and the. Now a quiz is there for you. Test your knowledge. Get into pairs. You have to attempt the test given below in 10 minutes by encircling the correct word. Your score 1 mark for every correct answer. The pair that finishes first wins. So let's find out the correct answers. How will you find out, or how will you use the correct answer in the to fill in the blanks? Let's find out. Have you got dash potatoes? Have you got dash potato? Have you got dash potato? So any potato. I eat dash ice creams in summers. I think you all like to eat ice creams in summer. So I eat dash ice creams in summer. That is a lot of. I have got a stomach ache. I was thirsty and drank dash bottles of Coke. That is too many bottles of Coke. Have you got dash money? Have you got some money? The elephants are there in the zoo. So how many? Neha is not eating dash cake. That is any. Neha is not eating any cake. She is on a diet. Dash of the workers turned up for the meeting. Neither of the workers. Neither means we have two options and both of them are not available at the same time. So neither. Either means we have two options and we go for one. Next one we have, you can wear dash red frock on the yellow or the yellow one. You can wear any. Next one, did you participate in the dash competition as a participant? Did you participate in any competition as a participant? Last one is we have, that is, this is the dash set of notebooks that I have to check. This is the first set of notebooks that I have to check. Okay beta. Now last unit, last worksheet I have, that is we have to do, that is work in group of 4, add a suitable noun to each of the determinants given below, put a tick mark against the countable noun. All you can use any noun here. Okay, you can use any noun here. All boys, some money, any direction. Second page, another boy, many children, much water, each girl. Last page, next story, third floor, first man, either cars, a few pens, a little milk, neither toys, every woman, enough salt. So we have added nouns to these determinants. Now what we have to do is put a tick mark against the countable noun. Put a tick mark against the countable noun. Now I think you all are clear about countable nouns. What are countable and uncountable nouns? Countable nouns are those nouns which can be counted, and uncountable, those cannot be counted. So the things which can be counted, you have to tick them. Okay, so let's do. All boys, we can count boys. Next, money was there. Money, it's a noun, we cannot count, it is uncountable noun. Direction, we can count. Page, we can count. Boy, yes, we can count. Children, yes, we can count 1 2 3 4 10 100. Next, water we cannot count 1 2 3 4 5 6. Water, no, it's not possible. So girl we can count. Page, yes, it can be counted. Story, yes, it also can be counted. Countable noun. Then floor is a countable noun. Man, it is a countable noun, we can count. Cars, yes, we can. Pens, countable noun. Milk we cannot count, it is uncountable. Then toys, that is countable noun. That is woman, it is countable noun. And salt, it is uncountable noun. So you can see beta, those things which can be counted, we have put a tick mark against them, they are countable noun. And uncountable, that cannot be counted. So I hope you all will complete your worksheet. Okay beta, thank you so much, God bless.